In this video, you'll learn how to use Zoho CRM effectively. This guide will walk you through the essential navigation steps to manage your customer relationship management tasks within the platform. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho homepage. You can do this by entering the Zoho URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see a dashboard that displays various Zoho applications. Look for the CRM icon, which typically appears prominently on this page. Next, click on the sales section. This will direct you to the sales management area of Zoho CRM. Upon clicking, the page will refresh to show you various options related to sales activities. You should see a sidebar that lists different categories such as, after that, select leads from the sidebar. This action will open a new page displaying all your leads. Here you can manage and track potential customers. Ensure that the leads list is displayed to confirm that you are on the correct screen. Once you have reviewed your leads, proceed to click on Contacts. This will take you to the Contact section where you can view and manage your existing customer contacts. Look for a list that shows all of your contacts to confirm you are in the right place. Continuing with your navigation, click on Accounts. This section allows you to manage the accounts associated with your contacts and leads. After you click on it, a list of accounts should appear confirming that you have successfully accessed this part of Zoho CRM. Next, navigate to Deals. This section is where you can monitor your sales opportunities. Once you click on Deals, you should see an overview of all deals currently in progress, which will help you keep track of your sales pipeline. Following that, click on Forecasts. This area provides insights into your sales projections. After selecting this option, the page will display your sales forecasts, allowing you to analyze potential revenue. Then select Documents. This section is designed for managing important files and documents related to your sales processes. Ensure that you see a list of documents after clicking to confirm you are in the right section. Next, click on Campaigns. This area allows you to manage your marketing campaigns within Zoho CRM. After doing so, you should see a list of all active campaigns, which will help you track your marketing efforts. After that, navigate to Activities. This section provides an overview of all activities related to your sales and marketing efforts. Once clicked, confirm that the activities list appears to ensure you are on the correct page. Next, select Tasks. This area helps you manage your tasks efficiently. After clicking on this option, check to see the list of tasks displayed on your screen. Moving on, click on Meetings. This section allows you to manage customer meetings and appointments. Ensure that your meetings list appears after clicking to confirm successful navigation. Then navigate to Calls. This section helps you track your calls with customers and leads. After selecting it, a list of calls should appear, confirming your access to this feature. Next, click on Inventory. This section is crucial for managing your product inventory. After clicking, verify that the inventory list is displayed on your screen. Following that, select Products. This area is dedicated to managing your product offerings. Once you click on it, a list of your products should appear, confirming successful navigation. Next, click on Price Books. This section allows you to manage your pricing strategies. After selecting it, ensure that the Price Books list is displayed to confirm you are in the right area. Then navigate to Quotes. This section is vital for managing quotes sent to customers. After clicking on it, to check the list of quotes appears on your screen. After that, click on Sales Orders. This area helps you manage your sales orders effectively. Once selected, ensure that the sales orders list is displayed to confirm successful access. Next, click on Purchase Orders. This section allows you to manage orders placed with vendors. After selecting it, confirm that the purchase orders list is visible on your screen. Finally, select Invoices. This area is essential for tracking invoices sent to customers. After clicking, verify that the invoices list appears to ensure you have accessed the correct section. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.